404.
That's my cutie. Do your muscle face. Do your muscle face.
Call now.
Thank you. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, as I said before the break, all the tongues in the noodle blogs are still warning over last Monday's Democratic debate in South Carolina. Everyone's asking who attacked, who fought back, who won, who lost. Well, I always say the best way to judge a debate is with monumental sand sculpture. Jimmy?
Welcome to the Palace Theater here in Myrtle Beach. We're here in South Carolina. So let's get started and welcome the presidential candidates. Joining us now, first, Senator John Edwards. Senator Barack Obama. And Senator Hillary Clinton.
Hi, everybody.
When it comes to a lot of the issues that are important in this race, it is sometimes difficult to understand what Senator Obama has said, because as soon as he is confronted on it, he says that's not what he meant.
But I thought 30% potentially was too high of a ceiling.
Because the limit was too high.
That is exactly what I just said, John.
So there's no limit at all?
Hi, Tuta.
Senator Obama voted 130 times